What's up, folks? What's up, folks? It's your boy JT, the barber. Anyways, I got a unboxing for y'all today. I got the Gamma Absolute Hitters. I think this is version 2, y'all. Anyway, check this all out. Here is this. Alright. Comes with that black blade, diamond coated. You can adjust it, 0 gap. Comes with a dock. You can also charge it with a USB. Guards. Skeleton. 3 different colors. Silver, rose gold, and gold. Yes, sir. Let's get into it. Oh shit, look at that. You could do all this with this one clipper. That's crazy. That's how it comes. People say this right here comes 0 gap. I'm not sure. I'm gonna check it out right now though. Alright? Y'all gonna do that together. For these guards. I don't ever use these, so put that to the side. USB. Regular USB. Put that to the side. Pretty cool. Okay. Let's see. Wow. Now see, now that's thin. Oh my God. That shit is thin. And it looks to be 0 gap as well. Oh, it's a little off. This side got to be up a little bit more. See it? Anyways, yeah. Let's try them out. Got the little USB in the back. Okay. That's what's up. That's what's up. Not too loud either. It's pretty cool. All right. So it goes on here like that. Okay. Cool. Let's go. Let's see what else. Got the gold. Rose gold. Nice. I'm feeling this. This will go good with the rose gold or the gold clippers by Babyless. Oh, nice. Comes with a little tool. And power cord. And the manuals. That's it. I don't read manuals. So anyway, that was the unboxing of this right here. That's what I'm gonna do later. Matter of fact, I wonder. I'm gonna see how they hit out the box. I'm gonna make a video with that. I'm not even gonna touch it. I'm gonna leave it just like that, and I'm gonna make a video and show y'all what that look like. Anyway, this your boy JT with the unboxing of the Gamma Hitters, Absolute Hitters. All right, y'all. Gamma Absolute Hitters. You can see these are the one that got the deep tooth. All right. Now, so I told you I'm gonna show y'all how it cut right out the box. Show y'all how it cut right out the box. can't see what I'm doing because the camera's in front of me. But okay, here, well, let me look in the mirror. Oops, see, y'all ain't gonna be able to see. Nice. Right out the box. This is how they cut. You know what I'm saying? It's not bad either. It's comfortable. It's not hurting or nothing. See how my little light right here? My hair is real thin right there. But let's see. Focus, focus, focus. Well, I mean, took a little while, but it's pretty cool. Very cool. No irritation whatsoever, man. Like, it feels really good. Feels really good. Anyways, yeah. Gamma. Absolute Hittas. Deep teeth, whatever y'all want to call it. Gamma Italia. Yeah, these are nice, man. These are really nice.